Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my Frito pie. So if you want to know how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by adding a little oil to our pan over medium-high heat. Once nice and hot, we're going to add our diced onion and minced garlic. Now saute for a couple minutes. Once our onions have softened, we're going to add our ground beef and all of our spices. As always, I will leave them in the description box. Now begin to break it down and cook for 7 minutes. Once done, add the chile verde, diced tomatoes, and beans of choice. Mix it together and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then add the tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, and 1/4 of a cup of water. Mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Once it simmers, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. Now reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove from the heat so we can get ready to put our Frito pie together. Now on a baking dish, begin by adding a layer of the Fritos, then add the chili, cheese, more Fritos, and top it with a good layer of cheese. Now bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. After 15 minutes, my Frito pie is done. Now I'm just going to allow it to cool down for a few minutes. Then we can get ready for the fun part. Top it with all of your favorite toppings, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super flavorful, so delicious, so easy, and of course it's fast. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. It's perfect for all of your upcoming gatherings. I promise you everyone's going to enjoy it. And of course you can layer it however you want. But let me tell you that I love the one layer, of the Fritos, the taste of the corn from the Fritos. And of course, just top with the whole chili and more crunchy from the Fritos and cheesy. Perfect. So I'm ready. Seriously, the best. So good. Alright guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious Frito pie. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.